Car accident photos, how to get them, and how they can help you win your personal injury case. Photos are just critical nowadays. Everyone's walking around with a great camera in their pocket, but there are still so many cases where people don't take photos of very important things. Think of a car accident. We have so much evidence happening at that scene, and you can go by the scene half an hour later and the cars are gone, the police are gone, the glass on the road is gone, the oil marks, the tire marks, all of that's gone. Think of a personal injury case where, say, somebody hurt themselves at a store, or they fell, or an object hit them. The spill is cleaned up, the object is put away, people clean up the area, and all of a sudden it looks fine. In that moment, if you can, take photos. When we're thinking about what to take photos of, let me help you by putting a little bit of a list together. First, for a car accident. If you're at the scene of a car accident, take photos of the cars. Your car, the other car, front, back, side, doesn't matter if there's damage or not. So much else will be captured in that photos, including the scenes, the surrounding areas, the lighting, the weather condition, the position of the vehicle on the road. Take specific reference to any damage on the car. Front bumpers, glass, wheels, all of that can be just critical when it comes to doing a reconstruction report later. Weather is very important when it comes to claims, so be sure to zoom out in some of your photos so we can appreciate how bright it is, the weather conditions, if it's winter, whether there's ice or snow on the road. People don't think about that because they're focused on the bumper or whatever's actually damaged. But it may well be that the road surface conditions are actually what makes or breaks the case. The other important thing is the position of the vehicles on the road. Again, by zooming out a little on your photos, you can appreciate where the curbs are, where there may be potholes in the road, where you may be relative to an intersection, where the point of impact was of two vehicles. So think of those macro shots and the tight shots. It's easy to crop and zoom later, but if you haven't captured it in the frame, we can't recreate it. So think about that when you're taking photos. And it's so wonderful now with iPhones and not having actual film, you can take a lot of photos. And not just take photos, take videos. We can make photos from videos. So if you can, do a 360 with your phone, keep that panoramic shot, and you can send it to your lawyer later. He or she will thank you for having those photos. So think about a slip and fall case, or an occupier's liability case where somebody slips on a pedal of water, or something falls off a shelf, for example, and hits somebody. There could be photos of the ground, photos of the shelves, photos of hazard signs that are around, sightline photos, what you could see and what was obstructed. All of this matters so much to put us in the place of the injury at the time it happened. So here's your list. You have lots of opportunity and to build evidence in your case, and a great opportunity to help your personal injury lawyer help build a strong case, especially if liability is at issue. You may not know at the time of the accident that liability is contested. You may not know how the other person or company reports the circumstances of your injuries to their insurance company. But you can protect your case by making your own evidence. So pull out your camera, take those photos, and save them. And while we're on the topic of photos, save them to a cloud or another device. If your phone is broken or lost, you may lose the evidence. So when you're taking the photos, you can save them to Dropbox or iCloud or whatever is convenient, or plug your phone into a computer and save it on a USB stick. It does not need to be high tech. You just need a backup. If you have other questions about what photos you should take, how to save them, how to build good evidence to protect your rights in your case when it comes to a car accident or personal injury claim, just get in touch. My name is Jeff Mitchell. I'm a personal injury lawyer, and I help people who have been injured in car accidents and personal injury cases. I'm here to answer your questions so you can make great decisions about your own case. I wish you the best of luck, and I hope to hear from you.